Welcome to the MarkLogic Fundamentals course. My name is Ruth Stryker. I'm a longtime trainer, web developer, and MarkLogic advocate. Let's talk about what we're going to be doing in this class. So we have 10 units. The first unit, as you see listed here, is learning what MarkLogic is. So what is it and what's it being used for? And then also getting started with how it works. So that's Unit 1. Unit 2 is where we start getting quite hands-on, as we will continue to be throughout this course. So in Unit 2, installing MarkLogic, we're going to go through installing MarkLogic. And then in Unit 3, we're going to learn how we can create a database in MarkLogic. And then in Unit 4, we're going to learn ways to communicate with MarkLogic. And then in Unit 5, once we've got our database set up and we know how we can communicate with it, we want to insert data into a database. So we'll learn about various techniques for doing that. And then in Unit 6, setting up an application, we're going to learn about various APIs available to us that allow us to stand up applications that can talk to a MarkLogic database. And then in Unit 7, we're going to learn a bit about search in MarkLogic. Search is a feature that is built into MarkLogic. It's part of the original design of the database. We've got all sorts of neat search features and capabilities built into MarkLogic. Quite nice. And then in Unit 8, adding indexes. We'll get a little introduction to indexes in MarkLogic, so that if you go on to get deeper into MarkLogic, perhaps by taking our developer or an administrator courses, you will have had a little bit of an introduction to indexes. And then finally, Unit 9, using more technologies, is on various additional technologies that you can use in and with MarkLogic, such as semantics, setting up alerting applications within MarkLogic, integrating MarkLogic with Hadoop, and also how you can expose your MarkLogic database to popular analytics tools like Tableau or Cognos that expect to be able to run simple SQL queries against the database. And then at the very end, we have additional learning resources. So things you can do to go on to learn even more about MarkLogic. All right, let's get started.